Here's what to look for if you're going to go flip a house. Number one, you want to look at the structural. You want to look and see if there's any cracks in the foundation or around the house that could be a major concern. Number two, you want to look at the exterior. See what the exterior looks like as far as siding goes to see if there's any oil tanks in the property. I always recommend people here in New Jersey to do a tank sweep because we've had horror stories where sellers were actually found oil tanks in the ground after they bought the house because they did not do the proper inspections. Number three, you want to look and see at the interior condition. How is that looking like? You know, what type of renovations do you need to do? Kitchens, bathrooms, carpets, floors, all of that stuff matters too, to make sure that you are estimating your repairs properly. Number four, the plumbing. Plumbing, you gotta double check to see if you have galvanized plumbing or PVC plumbing. A lot of times in today's world, if you do have galvanized plumbing, it's rotted or it can be an issue when you try to resell the house. Number five, of course, the roof, which is a big ticket item, and you want to check to see if there's any leaks, how old the roof is, and see if this is something that needs to be addressed. And the last part is HVAC systems, heating and cooling. See the condition of those, water heaters, and everything else in between.